What's up, guys? We are back, man. I'm glad you called me Slide and Glide, man. I'm about to go up to BBV right now and check out the purple bike, see if it's anywhere close to being done. Meanwhile, sliding with the baby. Mama, say what's up. Say what's up. Say what's up. Okay. But yeah, man, we on our way up there right now to see what that thing looking like, man. I can't wait to see what that purple thing was looking like. So let's go check it out. Oh, you guys put the turn signals on there, huh? Oh yeah. Let's see.
Might have to.
Okay.
He has to make sure this is good, because what it's doing is it's not doing the lights correctly. If he hits left, they're both flashing.
Oh,
if he hits right, it's not doing anything.
Right.
So it might be in here, so he's testing this to see if it's good.
But these little freaking lights up here is looking pretty cool too. They look pretty nice. Oh yeah, they are pretty cool. What's up, guys, man? Next day here. Was supposed to be taking the purple bike out to San Diego today, but it's still up at BBV and it's not ready. Man, with that being said, I got to keep on with my schedule. I'm supposed to be heading to the city today to go drop off the rest of the parts for the bike me and Dre got. As well as go pull up to the rim shop and go check out our rims and stuff, see what's going on with those, as well as pick up our Corbin seat that we got customized, man. So without further ado, man, let's hop right on the road and get up out there, dog. Just got to the city, man. Ooh, y'all see the seat. I have to go pick him up. I'm gonna get y'all better detail when we get out the car, but man, ooh, this thing cold. Just made it to the city, man. Put up on my boy. Got this thing gleaming, shined up. Look at the chrome on this thing hitting, dog. He just installed the bars on this joint. This dude got like some size 40s on this joint, dog. These things is huge. Cock diesel. Oh, he got fresh clutch on there. He clean though. He clean though, man. He gonna need some feet soon with these bars. I'm sure he got some feet lined up, but y'all know how I go, man. I just got my seat. Let me show y'all this thing, man. They did a pretty good job. Oh, me. They did a pretty good job on this, man. I gotta show y'all the backrest in a sec, but did a pretty good job. He pretty much kept the same pattern for the most part, and then just changed up a few things, but it does look really good and feels amazing. So I can't wait to throw this thing on there, man. So we gonna see what's up. I brought all the parts down, so we're gonna leave them with bro and get it going and see how it's gonna go, man. Stay tuned. Let's see what we got going. That chrome look good. Crazy.
Get your bars done, guys.
Y'all see what's going on. Man, going through splitting cars with them things, boy. That thing look crazy. Oh no, we good. loaded this up, man. He about to go drop this off to a customer. So if y'all in the city of dreams, man, and y'all need some bike activity done, some stuff swapped, and some upgrades and stuff, man, hit my boy. He gonna get you right. He just switched the bars out on this one. About to go drop it back off. So y'all see what's going on, man. I can't wait to see what that other one is gonna turn out to be, though, man. I know last time we had the trucks doubled up. Both had the bikes. Today it's just him. About to go drop that off. I'm about to slide back to the house, but before we do that, I'm about to go get some Roscoe's, man. Gotta go get some good food while I'm out here, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Big diesels and all that. And I need a diesel all this driving we be doing, man. I need to get on game, man. Y'all want to know what's so funny, man? Me and Dre left at the same time, went two totally different places. Bro was like, man, it was so much traffic. I done took the streets dang near to halfway. And freaking we damn near about to see each other. Oh, there we go. Look. Oh, dying. Look how funny that is. There we go, my boy. Gotta go drop up. And we got some bikers pulling up. Uh-oh, biker boys. And next day here, got the red bike back there. We actually got that seat on there. However, I freaking need to go find a freaking seat mount because this Corbin came without one. You guys see the bolts right there. It's usually something that comes out of that, so you can strap it down to the fender. So I just gotta go find one of those. But the Harley seat is looking nice. Can't wait to pull it out in the sun and see how that thing feels. But I gotta go pick up the purple bike first before we get anything started, man, because that thing was done yesterday, but I didn't catch him because we got back a little bit later than they closed. So let's go scoop that thing up so we can get that wraparound on there and get that first ride for y'all, man. Just pulled back up to BBV. About to see what this purple thing looking like, man. I was over there looking for the bike, and here it is right here. Okay. That purple is shining. So they said, I don't know, I'll let him explain it because it look a little different. I don't know, we'll have to see how that works out. But we got our turn signals and everything right here. So that should be cool, man. That should be cool. I don't know. Let's load this thing up though, man. Got her all loaded up. Let's go see what this thing do, man. Man, I need to go find a little piece to my seat for my Corbin so we can mount that thing up, but all strapped up, loaded to go, man. Let's get it in, dog. We got them turn signals on there. I know y'all was asking, where the turn signals, man? Where the turn signals, dog? There they are. So we got the purple thing back up in here. Now I really want to just throw this wraparound on there so we can see what it's like, but they said they had to do something else. They got the back lights to work. However, the brake lights, let's see. They had to put the little LED strips for the brake lights. I actually think the LED thing is pretty cool, but that's just one of the little things you got to do when you're switching over an Ultra to like a Street Glide. But this is like a way newer fender. This is from probably 14 and up rather. And the harnesses is different. So that's the reason why you got to do all that. But we did get our turn signals and everything up here situated. Thing look pretty good. I can dig it. Let's get this thing on there though, man. I'm tired of playing games. Here it is, guys. Now I haven't wiped it down thoroughly, pretty much at all, honestly. But we got that fender on there. It is closed, but it's not rubbing, so that's a plus. We got our turn signals on there. Those things look good. Got that chrome shining and gliding. I'm digging it. Want to take this thing on a quick ride, but really want to get it to the winter, man, so I don't think I'm going to have a time to take it on a quick ride, but we'll see what happens. Man, we got both of these things pulled out. Went and got my seat situated, when it found that little bracket that we needed back there. So this thing is on here looking really good. Got the little backrest to match. In the dark, it kind of looks off. Still kind of looks brighter than the bike, but hey, it is what it is. That red and black is looking good. But got that purple thing right next to it, looking like a Toronto Raptor. But it is cool, man. I want to go test this backrest out real quick though. But it does look good, man. Alright, man, so I'm about to go gas this thing up so we can go for a little ride or something, man. Take y'all through the mountains real quick. Let's go gas up though. This thing is sounding lovely. It sounds amazing, dog. Oh my god, that purple and chrome is hitting. Man, I ain't gonna even hold you. This purple, when you ride, it do justice. Like, that interfering painting literally did it. I'm telling you, that thing is freaking crazy. Like, it's so shiny between the purple and the chrome. Man, that thing go nuts. But I can't wait to ride this thing real quick. This thing feel real good, real nice. I had forgot what this thing felt like, man. I ain't even rode it in so long. But got some good 91 up in here, so this thing gonna run a lot better now. Alrighty, we done made it back to the house, and this little trim piece, we was waiting on this for a while, man. We ordered this a long time ago, and it literally just came in, so I'm glad I decided not to take it to him today and just wait till the morning. So he has that trim piece now. That thing looks legit. I like that, man. But yeah, we about to go slide on this thing, man. Y'all probably have to catch that on the next one though, but I can't wait. It is looking good. Alrighty, guys, we have made it out here to the desert. Man, that background looks freaking amazing. Just look at that purple bike, gleam and scream. Man, I'm digging it. That chrome is hitting, that fresh coat of purple is going. And that ride was a really nice ride, man. I wish I was on my road glide, but this thing is definitely a showstopper. Like, it's turning heads. All this chrome down here, man. Oh my god, man, this thing is nice, man. I can't wait to drop this thing off tomorrow to the winter. But it's kind of windy out here, man, so I'm gonna get y'all this slow-mo real quick and get back to the Crizio. Feel me? We out here in the canyons and stuff. My boy about to get some sick pics. Yes, sir. Yeah, that mountain back there is crazy. Just now making it back to the Crizio. That was a fun little ride. I know he's gonna enjoy this bike, and I'm gonna enjoy taking it to him, man. This is gonna be the end of this series, man. You know, you hate to see it go, but you love to watch it leave, man. So that being said, it's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Got a bunch done in this video, man. Got the purple bike back. That thing is complete and getting taken to San Diego, California tomorrow. That thing will be with the winner in the winner's hands tomorrow, man. I can't wait to drop that thing off. As for the red one, man, we got our Corbin seat. We got it red and black. Now the bike is definitely a lot more orangish red than complete red, so in the sun the seat and the bike matches up a lot more than the shade, but no big deal, man. I'm still loving it. Can't wait for the wheels to get done with this thing, so that'll be something to look forward to. As for the bike me and Dre got, man, we're gonna be tackling that this next upcoming video, man. We got to get that thing up and in the shop, in the paint shop, and get that thing ready for you guys. So can't wait to see who the next winner is, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.